lovely people. How is your day going? My day is going good because I'm on a roll on making videos. I have the February 2019 Single Swags box. Hashtag love yourself. So this is a pretty new subscription to me. This is the third time I am getting it. This is 37. Let me make sure so that you guys know. So this is $37.49 a month, and with this subscription, you get 6 to 7 full-size items. Now, they do have a smaller one that is $23.99 called the Single Swag Petite, and that is you get 3 to 4. So this is the $37 one. I did get this. It was Black Friday, and I had a big sale where I got 3 months for like $60. So I did cancel this subscription because I didn't think it was really worth it. It's almost $40 a month, and I just didn't really care for it. So I did cancel it. This is the last month. So let me cut the tape and see what it is. All right. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, like that. So you get a card that tells you what everything is, and it tells you the prices. So I think I told you this is the February box. All right. One thing I do like about it that's right on top is some goodies. You always get snacks in here, and I do like that. So this is Prado Belli Cantuccini. What is this? Traditional chocolate cookies, product of Italy. Now, last month, I believe it was, we got a chocolate candy bar from Italy. It was the Italy chocolate, and I loved it. Oh my God, I loved it so much. And this would be no, am I right? Let me make sure. $5. Am I? Something, this is open. Look at that. If you can see. All right. So, yeah, I think this is $5. All right. So, that's not bad. Then we have this Skinny Dip Almonds, dark chocolate cocoa. So, this is like a little sample. And this is a bonus snack, so it doesn't really give the price on these. So I will definitely enjoy that. Then we have this Give Them Lala Beauty right there. So what is this? So this is a highlighter that's saying it's $26. It says illuminate your natural beauty with this versatile high-impact highlighter designed to provide a long-lasting subtle glow, a high-intensity ultra shine, and everything in between. Designed by Lala Kent, the actress, singer, and entrepreneur, most widely known from Bravo's Vanderpump Rules. So it says it's a long-lasting subtle glow, and it's also high intensity. So I don't know which is which, but let's open her up and see. So the packaging is really nice. Let's open her up. Oh, this is dark. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch that. I don't want to blind you. This is very, very dark. I don't know if this is supposed to be a bronzer or not, or for like a medium to darker skin, but even if it was a bronzer, I like matte. So I will definitely give this to somebody that I think could definitely get a better use out of it. But I do appreciate that they do have this in the box, because medium to darker skin, they don't usually have things that can go for them. So that's really good. I'm really happy about that. All right, the next thing I got is this Roots Skincare In Your Face Spa Elixir Mist. Ooh, right there. All right, let's see what this puppy is. So this is $22. It says awaken and refresh your skin with the natural mist infused with, God, I can't read. Electrolyzed water, soothing botanicals and essential oils for a spa-like feeling in every application. Oh, wait a minute. Designed to reduce the overprotection of oils. Okay, so let's just open the box and see what this is. Oh, okay. So this is very small for the price. That's what I don't like, because the prices just seem so expensive. Let's see how the spritz is. Oh, that's a nice spritz. That's nice. I do like that, and I will definitely use this. But how much did this puppy say it was? $22. I don't know. All right, the next thing, now this is really pretty. This is from Jules K, right there. This is a coin purse that is $35. Now, I would never pay $35 for this. Oh my God, this has a, now that I sprayed this, this is very strong. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to give this to somebody. But $35, I don't know. All right, then we have, let's see, 3 more things. We have this Sensitive Skin Recovery Mask Anti-Aging by Niobe, right there. You guys can see. All right, so this is saying it is $29. All right, I don't know too much about it. I never heard of it, but it is Love Your Skin with this ultra moisturizing, soothing blend of, vitamin E, orange floral water, apricot oils, and other all-natural ingredients. All right, so that's good. I'm happy to get that. I love skincare. 2 more things. So we have this Gemelli right here. And this is saying it is a necklace that is $72. So let's see. All right. So this is like a little heart necklace. I don't know if I would pay $72 for this. Because this is definitely not 14 karat gold. Or 10 karat. I don't know. Let's see if you guys can see it right there. Keeps turning over. Let's see. You guys can see. I don't know. I just personally wouldn't pay $72 for this, but I know I'm a little cheap. All right, last but not least is a book. So this says #1 New York Times bestseller, Elizabeth Gilbert, Big Magic, Creative Living Beyond Fear. Right there. All right, let's see what this is. I'm really happy that you get a book. So this would be $16. Does it say what it is? Love will inspire you, encourage you, and embrace your curiosity and uncover the strange jewels hidden within each of us. So let's see. What happens when you say no, permission, I like this book. I'm definitely going to read this. So I'm really happy. So I told you this was what, $37, and it says the total retail value is $205. Now, this is why I canceled. I think it's a really good box. I think you definitely get the value in here. But do they up the price? I mean, would you pay $35 for this? I don't know. $22 for this small spritzer. $72 for this little tiny necklace. I don't know. I think the best thing I actually like, let's just be real, these cookies, because I like to eat. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Like I said, I did cancel it, so this is the last subscription that I'm getting. Do you get it? What do you think of it? Would you subscribe? Let me know if you think I'm overreacting. Do you think that you definitely think that it's worth it, that the value is there? Let me know. And I did post a few videos, and a lot of people are asking me about this shirt. So this is a Melanoma Warrior shirt. Let's see if you guys can see right there. And back in 2015, I was diagnosed with stage 2 melanoma skin cancer, but it was the early stage of stage 2. So I just had to get operated on. I didn't have to do chemo or anything like that. But every year, well, it's supposed to be twice a year, but I don't go to like every year. I have to get my red and white blood cells checked, and I have to get a chest x-ray and a skin screening. So about a week and a half ago, they found something suspicious on my back. So they did a biopsy. I go back this Thursday on the 7th to find out what it is. And I did have to get another chest x-ray and my red and blood cells. So hopefully, cross our fingers, everything is okay. They're not saying I have anything. It just looks a little suspicious. So in 2015, I had melanoma. 2016, I got diagnosed on my leg with, had a biopsy with basal skin cancer, but the melanoma is the rarest and the most deadliest. So I've been very nervous, so hopefully, you know, everything is good. And if you are the praying type, please pray, and I will definitely let you guys know. Every Thursday, I go live. So this Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, I will let you guys know what the results are. So make sure you are subscribed so you can get the notification. Make sure you tap that bell because I know a lot of people aren't getting notified. Untap it and then tap it again. If you have to unsubscribe and resubscribe and tap the bell again, I don't know what's going on with YouTube. It's just not my channel. It's a lot of people's channel. So if you don't see a video from me lately, you know, make sure to go to my channel and see if you're still subscribed. I know a lot of people are getting unsubscribed as well as not getting the notifications. So yeah, guys, and I also will in a little bit have a giveaway going on for my 2-year anniversary. So make sure you subscribe for that because right now I have 8 eyeshadow palettes and a whole bunch of other things to give away. So guys, please like this video because it really does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tap that notification bell. I love you guys. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.